Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can join nodes on Notability. So let's go and do the best option how to do that. So open the first node. So open the node, the one you want to move. Then tap the page manager icon. So two stack papers here at the top right corner. Do just that. Then tap select at the bottom of the page manager here at the bottom. Click on it and then select the page which you want to copy. So I will show you with one. You can select all of them and now hit copy. Next to the done is icon for a copy. Copy it one page. As you can see, what I can do now is go back to the library here where I have another node where I want to copy that. Let's go right here, for example. Now, what I can do now, open the page manager in this node. So at the top right corner, just like that. And tap the three dots here. And then paste, just like that. And we have now here the page which we copied from another node. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.